Jersey number 15, pass jersey number 27. Pass jersey number 15. 2 minutes and 38 seconds to play. 15 on the shot clock. Quick cross, jersey number 15 for 3. Jersey number 15, 3. Score 67-52. 15-point lead. Pass para Ilang. Jersey number 16. And now, sending the play from on the shot clock. There's a whistle foul. Jersey number 27, holding foul. That is second foul penalty. Two free throws for jersey number 18, Richo. Now basket. The line violation para jersey number 18. Send the last row for jersey number 18, Thomas Redding. 1 out of 2 for jersey number 18, Richo. Time remaining 2 minutes and 15 seconds to play. Passing jersey number 0, Rick Was. Good layup, it's not good. Out of bounds, save ball. 14-second shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 0, corner pass, jersey number 29, baseline drive, puts it up, and make a son of a foul. Jersey number, who's brought up? Jersey number 04. That is first foul, penalty. Subdivision. It's complete 3-point play for jersey number 29. Score 68-85, 30-point lead para sa Barangay Ilang, jersey number 18. 2 minutes. 14 on the shot clock, jersey number 18. Nice play again, puts it up, it's good. Body for the rebound. Secure the rebound para jersey number 8. Pass jersey number 15. Jersey number 15 is a pass jersey number 27. Nasa law turnover, subdivision. Jersey number 8, passing jersey number 16, and yeah, easy down, easy dribbling, time remaining 1 minute and 35 seconds to play. Jersey number 16, good responding to jersey number 14, jersey number 22. 10 on the shot clock, jersey number 16. 6-second shot clock, jersey number 15, jersey number 16. 3-second shot clock, raise it up, or shot, there's a foul. We're going to be jersey number, who's got up? Jersey number 27. That is third foul, penalty. 2 free throws for jersey number 16 and Yang. Time remaining 1 minute and 20 seconds to play.
Ano sasabihin mo sa idol mo?
68-55.
Magaling yan. Player yan.
Second last one for jersey number 16, Thomas Redding. Time remaining 1 minute and 20 seconds to play. 1 out of 2 for jersey number 16 and Yang. Score 69-55. Jersey number 29 and then jersey number 15 against the two defenders.